Hi everyone! Before we begin today's podcast, I'm going to say this honestly. If you skip today's episode, you might actually miss a rare chance to upgrade your spoken English. Because today's conversation has powerful vocabulary, real life examples, and a topic that everyone is whispering about AI.
Exactly, and trust me, the words you learn today are going to make your communication sound more sharper, more articulate, and more insightful.
So stay with us till the end. Let's dive in. Anushka, everywhere I go, people are asking the same slightly dramatic question: will AI replace teachers? It's almost become a modern day dilemma.
It really has, and honestly, the question comes from fear of change, fear of losing human connection, fear of technology becoming too omnipresent.
Wow, I love that word omnipresent, meaning something that seems to be everywhere at once.
AI has strengths. It is efficient, extremely accurate, and unbelievably consistent. If you ask the same question 10 times, it won't get irritated. Humans do.
Stating facts, and AI is available 24 by 7. And let's be honest, teachers can't be available at midnight, but students do get doubts at 12, 1 am, sometimes right before an exam.
Exactly, and that's where AI shines. You ask a doubt at 12:07 am and AI responds instantly with precision. No delay, no mood, no exhaustion.
This makes doubt solving faster, more accessible, and extremely reliable, especially when a student needs immediate clarity. That's a huge advantage, right?
Teachers bring something AI cannot: empathy, warmth, emotional understanding. They can sense when a child is confused, anxious, or overwhelmed, even without words.
That's human intuition. You can't code that. A teacher can just look at a child's face and say, it's okay, try again. AI cannot offer compassion.
Also, Tanu, real classrooms need discipline, motivation, and encouragement. Kids learn not just from answers, but from presence.
Exactly. A teacher's voice, body language, humor for that matter, they create an environment. AI gives information, but teachers give inspiration.
So, the real question isn't will AI replace teachers? It's how can teachers and AI work together?
When AI handles repetitive tasks, doubt solving, grammar checks, test evaluations, teachers finally get time for creativity.
They get time to understand each child's personality, strengths, fears, the things that actually shape learning.
So, can AI replace teachers? No. But can AI make teachers more powerful, more effective, more impactful? Absolutely.
And the students who learn how to use AI wisely will become more confident, more fluent, and more capable thinkers.
So, yes, if you stay till the end, congratulations. You just learned some advanced vocabulary, practical insights, and a topic that will help your spoken English sound fluent.
We will see you in the next episode where we decode another trending topic in the most simple, clear, and eloquent way possible. Bye bye.
Ta da!